Welcome, welcome. Another video, and today's going to be a pretty decent thing I'm doing. Not a silly underbody or engine repair. I'm going to be installing a nice new grill badge. Look at that, isn't that cool? My favourite colour, candy apple red. Maybe not quite candy apple red, but it's close enough. So, a couple of tools you'll need. Phillips head screwdriver and a trim removal tool is almost all you'll need for this job. Usually these are held in by a couple of clips at the back because they have a few pointers in the back that slide into the holes, and a couple of clips go over that and secure it on. This one comes with 3M adhesive as well in case you want to break them off and stick it somewhere else. But mine, my old one, has been silicone sealed back onto the grill. Let's go and take a look. Alright, so first of all, open the hood and you need to take this plastic radiator cover off. So a few of mine are Phillips head screws and a few are just little pop-off ones that you just pop up with your trim tool. Let's get that removed. Alright, so those 4 tabs that I showed you, you'll just be able to see them on mine, and they're right behind, see this member here, this bit here, they sit right behind that, and unfortunately mine's have been silicone sealed into place. See one there? And I'll zoom in. Right there at the bottom. And there's one up the top as well, and they've been silicone sealed into place, as has that one there has just been silicone sealed, there's no tab, and that one there has been silicone sealed with no tab. Great, eh? Someone's obviously had this grill off before. You can do this without taking the grill off, so all I'm going to do is snap those 2 pegs out. Alright, so struggling to get into the back of this because of the botch job, so literally just pulled the grill off of the front bumper, and it's very easy to do. You just grab it where I've got it here and here and easily pop the top off and pop the bottom off, and it literally just came off in my hands. So it's a very easy thing to do. For those that are asking, the V6 comes with this chrome surround and it just came off with it. So let's take it in the garage and we'll see what we're dealing with here. So you're gonna have to spend about an hour cleaning this because I can't put this back in the car like that. But let's flip it around and we'll see what's happening here. So there's the 4 tabs, and as you can see they've been absolutely botched with silicone. So what I'm going to do is just scrape all that away and scrape these 2 away and pop the new one in with the 4 tabs properly. So let's get on with that. Okay then, we're going to have to go to plan B because this isn't silicone. I reckon it's either JB Weld or something harder because it's absolutely rock solid. So I'm going to have to drill through these now. Great. Thanks whoever did work in this car before me. You just made botched jobs of half the car. Perfect. We love it. Well, a few careful drills later in the back and it pops off. So you can see that's the same tabs as the one I've got. Only these ones have been broken because some idiots went and put these back on with friggin' RTV, not RTV, I'm saying it's JB Weld. Boys, it's plastic. You don't need JB Weld and plastic. Come on. Do it properly. Don't do this botch job nonsense. Anyway, I'm going to re-drill these holes so that they're nice and neat for the new badge to sit in. Well, once removed whatever this is, I'm thinking it's like plastic weld or something like that, we're left with a nice neat 4 holes at the back and nice and clean in the front. Time to give this thing a clean. Let's go. Honestly, I don't know who works in cars these days, but people that take shortcuts like that really cheese me off. Anyway, let's crack on. think I might wrap this chrome actually, carbon fibre or something, gloss black, don't know. I'll do that. Don't have any right now, but it's a perfect time to do it, isn't it? Yeah, we'll wait and see. What this kit comes with as well is some clips that you can push over the back of the fittings to hold it in place, just like the ones you get from the factory. So we're going to put these on, unlike the previous person that couldn't be bothered. Okay, so that's how it should look, minus this fourth one which I've just left, because I left some of that RTV because I only got 3 clips in. This one isn't stuck though, I can push that out with my finger if I wanted to, but 3 is more than enough to keep this in place. Yes, let's get it back on the car.